Question number 1. Mathematical induction. Under that, first question is the nth term of the given series 1 into 3 plus 4 into 7 plus 7 into 11 and so on up to n terms. We have to identify what is the nth term. Under 4 options given, first option is n square, second is n into n plus 1 and third one n into n plus 1 by 2 and fourth one 3n minus 2 into 4n minus 1. Let us see what is the right answer and right option to the question number 1. So, I will write the question now. Nth term of the series. What is the series given? 1 into 3 plus 4 into 7 plus 7 into 11 and so on up to n terms. What is the nth term in this series? Let us see. So, each term having 2 factors. Here 1 into 3 is there, here 4 7 is there, here 7 into 11 and so on. So, automatically nth term also contains 2 factors. So, first I will write first factors. What are the first factors in each term? Right? That is 1, 4, 7 and so on. So, it is very clear there in AP. So, what is nth term of AP? That is A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? Any first term. See what is the first term? 1 plus nth term, that is n minus 1 into what is the difference? 3. So, 1 plus 3n minus 3. If you simplify further, become 3n minus 2. Now, the difference is here 2, here 3, here 4. So, automatically we get nth term of the given series is 3n minus 2 into, yes, 4n minus 1, right. So, what is the right answer? That is fourth option is right. And it is very clear, you can verify once again. Put n is equal to 1 here. So, this is 1 and this is 3. Put n is equal to 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 8 minus 1, 7. Put n is equal to 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 minus 2, 7, 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 1, 11. So, automatically you can understand this is the nth term. Question number 2. The nth term of 1 plus 3 plus 6 and so on, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Now, here they are asking total sum of the series, and not only nth term, sum of the terms up to from 1 to nth term. What is the value? 4 options are given: n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, second option n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, and third one n into n square plus 1 by 2, fourth one n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6. Now, let us see what is the right answer and right option to the question number 2. So, sum of the terms 1 plus 3 plus 6 so on up to n into n plus 1 by 2, right. This total series now sum we want, not only nth term. So, there are so many methods. First method we will do Sn is equal to, that is sum of n terms, sigma Tn, sigma of nth term. Sigma means you know sum of all numbers up to there. So, what is your nth term here? Yes, n into n plus 1 by 2. So, 2 is constant, you can make it is outside. N into n, sigma n square, and n into 1, sigma n. So, you know both formulas, right? What is sigma n square? Yes, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2, that is sigma n. Now, let us simplify. So, here n into n plus 1 by 2 is there, and here also n into n plus 1 by 2 also there, in the sixth 2 factor is there. So, take 2 n into n plus 1 by 2 common outside, then the simplification further, if you take n into n plus 1 by 2 common, What is remaining here? 2n plus 1 by 3 is there. 2n plus 1 by 3. And here we have taken total common, nothing is there, so we write 1. Okay. Now, 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2, 2n plus 1, 3 into 1, that is 2n plus 1 plus 3, any 4 by 3. Take 2 common and cancel it. So, what is remaining then? N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 1, 2 got cancelled here. So, remaining 3 into 2, 6. So, over. So, what is the right option now? Answer is, that is among the given 4 options, 4th option is the answer. Question number 3. Sum of n terms, that is 1 plus 4 plus 13 plus 40 plus so on n terms. What is the sum of all values? In the previous case, nth term is given, here nth term is not there, but we want the sum. Now, here 4 options are given, 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus 2 to the power of n by 2n, that is first option. Second option, 3n minus 1 plus 3 power n by 9. Similarly, third one, 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus 2n square whole by 8. Fourth option, 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus 2n minus 3 by 4. Now, we want sum of all terms, right? Let us do now. So, question number 3, what is the right option? 1 plus 4 plus 13 plus 40 and so on. What is the sum? Sum of the terms 1 plus 4 plus 13 plus 40 up to n terms. Let us find what is nth term here. So, T2 minus T1, 4 minus 1, 3. T3 minus T2, 13 minus 4. T4 minus T3, 40 minus 13, 27. And finally, Tn minus 1. Here you got 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 cube. So, this is 3 to the power of n minus 1. Now, I am adding all the terms. If you add it, T2 minus T2 cancel, T3 minus T3 cancel, T4 also get cancel, and before this term, Tn minus 1 also will get cancel. So, the remaining minus T1 plus Tn, right. Now, sum of the terms a into, if you take a common, 3 to the power of n r power n minus 1 by 2. Suppose if you consider n is equal to 1, (3 minus 1), 2 by 2 is equal to 3. If you consider n is equal to 2, 9 minus 1, that is 8 by 2 into 4, 12. So, 3 plus 9 is 12. So, this is okay. Now, minus T1, in the place we use 1, minus 1 plus Tn is equal to 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus 3 by 2. Take the 1 that side. So, nth term is 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So, if you take LCM, 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by 2. This is what? Nth term, right. Now, Sn is equal to sigma Tn, that is sigma of 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 whole by 2, right. Now, what is the sum of 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by 2? That is, what we get here, sigma 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus sigma 1 by 2. So, again we have to apply GP formula. 3 into 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus sigma 1 n by 2. right? 3 into 3 to the power of n plus 1, that is 3 to the power of n plus 2, and minus 3 and minus 2n by 2 into 2, 4. So, what is the right option now? Fourth option. Fourth one is right. Question number 4. 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 into so on up to 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to what? 4 options are there. First option n by n plus 1, second option 1 by n plus 1, third one n by 2n plus 1, and fourth one n by 3n plus 1. Let us see what is the right answer for the question number 4 and right option also. Let us see. Question number 4. 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 and so on 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, right, is equal to dash. So, here starting with 2, so ending with n plus 1. Now, what is the simplification for this? Let us see. 1 minus 1 by 2, first term. 1 minus 1 by 3, second one. 1 minus 1 by 4, so on up to 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Now, let us simplify. What is 1 minus 1 by 2? Yes, 1 by 2, very good. 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. And so on up to, if you take LCM here, 1 into n plus 1 become n plus 1, minus 1 cancel. So, n by n plus 1 we get, right. This is the nth term. Now, simplification. 2 got cancel, 3 got cancel, 4 also will get cancel, and before one term this n also will get cancelled, right. So, here n minus 1 by n will be there, that n get cancelled. So, what is remaining now? In the first term numerator is there, the last term denominator is there. So, totally 1 by n plus 1, this is the right answer. So, what is the option here given? Yes, second option. So, answer is second option is right answer, that is given 1 by n plus 1. Question number 5. Sum of the terms given in the series 1 square, that is first term, plus second term 1 square plus 2 square as a single bracket. Third term again 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, third bracket, so on up to n terms. Then what is the total value? First option is given n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6. Second option is given n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 only, no denominator. Third option n into n plus 1 into 2 into n plus 2 by 12 is given. And finally, fourth one n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is there. So, among these 4, which is right option and which is right answer? Question number 5. I will write the question now. 1 square, first bracket, 1 square plus 2 square, second bracket, and 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on up to n terms. What is the total value? They are not asking only nth term, here total value. So, I will write first nth bracket, that is nth term. So, what is nth bracket or nth term? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on up to n square. Because here you see here first term only 1 square, second bracket 1 square plus 2 square, third one 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So, nth bracket definitely contain all sigma n square. Now, what is this? Sigma n square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, now I am simplifying this. 2n square, n into 2n, 2n square into n, 2n cube. 2n plus n, 3n into n, 3n square. 1 into n, that is n by 6. This is only nth term, not the total value. So, we now find the sum of n terms using formula sigma Tn. I apply sigma for this. So, 2 into sigma n cube plus 3 into sigma n square plus sigma n whole by 6. Now, let us simplify these values and see. So, 1 by 6 is common, 2 into sigma n cube. n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Yes, right. N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is sigma n cube. Next, 3 into sigma n square. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole by 6 plus finally sigma n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2 whole by 6 also there. So, we write whole by 6. So, it is same again, you can take n into n plus 1 by 2 common. So, let us take n into n plus 1 by 2 is common. So, here already 1 2 is taken common, 1 2 is there, cancel. So, what is remaining here? N into n plus 1 is there. Here n into n plus 1 by 2 is there, gone, and remaining 3 cancel. So, only 2n plus 1 is there. Here total n into n plus 1 by 2 is gone. So, plus 1 is there. Again whole by 6 also there. So, what is your final answer now? Yes, n into n plus 1, right. So, what is next? We get here n square plus n plus 2n, 3n, and 1 plus 1, 2 by 6 into 2, 1 by 12. So, if you get here n plus 1 into n plus 2, it become n into n plus 1, here n plus 1, it become n plus 1 whole square, and here n plus 2 by 12. So, what is your right option? So, n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12 is third option. See, there in the third option 2 is there after the bracket, actually it is whole square, right. Question number 6. 1 square by 3 plus 1 square plus 2 square by 5 plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square by 7, so on up to n terms. Here also nth term is not given, but here they are not asking nth term, total value, sum of the series. 4 options are given. First option n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 18, second one n into n plus 2 by 6, and third one n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3, fourth one is 2n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3. Let us see what is the right answer and right option for the question number 6. So, I will write the question now. 1 square by 3 plus 1 square plus 2 square by 5, okay, and third one 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square by 7. First of all, we write nth term, and after that applying sigma to that we will find sum of n terms. So, first I will write nth term. Okay, tell me what is nth term? Yes, first 1 square, then 2 square, then 3 square, so on up to n square. So, because here third term contain 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and second 1 square, 2 square, so nth term contain this one by, this is 2n plus 1, this is 2n plus 2, this is 2n plus 3. So, what we get now? 2n plus 1. If you put n is equal to 1 here, become 3. If you put 2, 5. If you put 3, 7. So, automatically nth term is 2n plus 1. Now, let us see. So, further simplification. Sigma n square. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 into this 2n plus 1. So, other than this 2n plus 1, this is the formula for sigma n square. Now, they are getting cancelled. So, we got n square plus n by 6. This is nth term. Now, we want sum of n terms. So, very simple formula is Sn is equal to sigma Tn. So, let us apply for sigma this, sigma n square sigma n by 6. What is sigma n square? Yes, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2 whole by 6. Again same thing, take n into n plus 1 by 2 common. So, if you consider n into n plus 1 by 2 common from this. What is remaining? N into n plus 1 by 2 gone. So, 2n plus 1 by 3 is there. So, in the bracket 2n plus 1 by 3. And here total n into n plus 1 by 2 taken common. So, you get plus 1 here by 6. Now, n into n plus 1 by 2, 3 ones are plus 1. So, 2n plus 4 by 2 into 3, of course 3 here and 1 more 6. If you take 2 common and cancel, you get n into n plus 1, n plus 2, 1 2 is got cancelled. So, 18 is left. So, what is the right option? Yes, first option is right. You are correct. First option is the right option. N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 18. Question number 7. 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4, so on up to n terms. Here also nth term is not given, but they are asking sum of n terms, not nth term. 4 options are there. First option 1 by n plus 1, second option n by n plus 1, third one n by 2n plus 1, fourth one n by 3n plus 1. Let us see what is the right answer and right option for the question number 7. So, I am writing the question here. 1 by 1 into 2, right, plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 and so on. Nth term is not there. Now, first of all we find out nth term, and after that applying sigma we get Sn, sum of n terms. So, first I am writing nth term. So, what could be the nth term? So, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So, it is natural numbers n, and here difference 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. So, you get n into n plus 1, right. Now, we want sum of the n terms. Here when denominator is n into n plus 1, we can't apply direct sigma here. So, what we do? Applying sigma is nothing but 1 by 1 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3 and so on 1 by n into n plus 1. Yes, this can be written as 1 minus 1 by 2. This can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. This is 1 minus 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. And this is 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So, it is very clear every alternate term is getting cancelled up to 1 by n. So, what is remaining? The left, first factor of the first term, second factor of the last term. So, again if you take LCM, n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. This 1 got cancelled. So, what is your final answer? N by n plus 1. So, what is the right option? Second option is the right answer. Question number 8. This is based of trigonometry given. Cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta up to so on cos into 2 power n minus 1 theta is equal to dash. 4 options are given. First option sin 2 power n theta by sin theta, and second option sin 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta, and third one cos 2 power n theta by 2 power n cos theta, and finally fourth one cos 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. Let us see what is the right answer and right option. Question number 8. Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta. So, if you go in the sequence, cos 2 to the power of n minus 1 theta. What is this? The total. So, as we said, this is a trigonometry based, definitely trigonometry formula should be applied to find the sum. So, let us see. Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, so on 2 power n minus 1. Now, what we do here? To apply trigonometry, I am doing 2 sin theta multiplication by 2 sin theta division. So, this is called no loss of generality. That means whatever operation you do, you have to do the inverse operation also. That means if you multiply any given value into some a and divide with a, addition a, subtract a. So, everything whatever you do, inverse operation to be done. That is called no loss of generality. So, I am multiplying 2 sin theta by 2 sin theta. Now, cos theta into 2 sin theta, it become sin 2 theta. Remaining term same up to 2 power n minus 1 by, we got now 2 sin theta. Now, again what we do after this, multiply and divide with 2. Again 2 into sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta, it become sin 4 theta by 2 into 2, 2 square sin theta, and remaining terms as it is, cos 4 theta, so on up to 2 to the power of n minus. So, now onwards you multiply again 2 by 2. So, again 2 by 2. If you do so on, finally you get here sin 2 into 2 power n minus 1 theta. That is, first I will write sin 2 into 2 power n minus 1, that is 2 power n minus 1 plus 1, 2 power n theta. By here 2 square, when you apply sin 2 theta becomes sin 4 theta. So, this will give you n times. So, 2 to the power of n, and the sin theta will be there till the end. So, this is your final answer, sin 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. So, what is right option? Yes, second option is right. Second option which is given, sin 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. This is the simplification for this. Question number 9. If a suffix k is given 1 by k into k plus 1. Of course, for all k 1, 2, 3 up to n. Now, we want sigma k 1 to n a k whole square. Let us see what is the right answer. So, question number 9, a suffix k defined as 1 by k into k plus 1. Of course, given k values 1, 2, 3 up to so on, up to n. Now, we want sigma 1 to n a k whole square. So, if you put 1, it will become a1, a2, because it is sigma an square. We want to find this value. Now, what is a1? Put 1 here, 1 by 1 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3, put n there, n by 1 by n into n plus. Separate 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, so on up to 1 by n minus 1 by n plus. So, all middle terms are getting cancelled. 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, that is n by n plus 1. But they are asking whole square. So, what is your answer now? Sigma k1 to n a k square is equal to n square by n plus 1 the whole square. Okay, tell me what is the right option now? Yes, fourth option. Fourth option is given, n square by n plus 1 whole square. So, right option is fourth option. Question number 10. If small n belongs to capital N, that is natural numbers, then 3 to the power of 2n plus 7 is divisible by what? First option given 3, second is 9, third is 8 and fourth is 11. What is the right answer? What is the right option? Let us see. N belongs to n, that is n is natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now, 3 to the power of 2n plus 7 divisible by what? 4 options given. First option is 3, second option is 9, third one is 8 and fourth one is 11. Now, for all n belongs to n given, no? So, what do you mean by n belongs to n? Yes, natural numbers. So, I will submit n is equal to 1 first. If we submit n is equal to 1, 3 to the power of 2 into 1 plus 7. 3 square plus 7. Yes, 9 plus 7. 16. Now, 16 is divisible by, see here, 3 is given, 9 is given, 8 is given, 11 is. So, it is very clear, you can understand third option. So, 16 is divisible by 8. So, what is your right answer or right option? Third one is given 8. So, third option is right answer. Question number 11. Small n belongs to capital N, that is n belongs to natural numbers. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Then 4 power n minus 3n minus 1 is given. Divisible by what? First option 3, second option is 8, third one is 11, fourth one is 9. Let us see what is the right answer and right option for the question number, yes, 11. So, n belongs to natural numbers. You know very well natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then, what is the question given? 4 to the power of n minus 3n minus 1 divisible by what? So, first option given 3, second one given 8, third one is given 11 and finally fourth one given 9. So, we have to identify which this is divisible by which number. So, let us see solution. As we said, natural numbers in the sense, yes, 1, 2, 3. So, we will go for a trial value, that is first value n is equal to 1. Submit n is equal to 1. 4 power 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 1. So, it became 0. So, 0, any number divides the 0. So, we will go for the next. N is equal to 2. 4 power 2. 3 into 2 minus 1. What is 4 square? 16. Minus 3 into 2? 6. And minus 1. So, 16 minus 7. 9. So, divisible by 9. Right? Of course, it is divisible by 3 also. Okay? When it is divisible by 9, divisible by 3 also. So, what is your right answer now? Fourth option is right option. Every 9 multiple is 3 multiple. Question number 12. If n belongs to n natural numbers naturally, then 49 power n plus 16n minus 1 is divisible by what? First option 24, second option 17, third option 64 and finally fourth option is 676. So, let us try this and solve for the answer and for the right option. Question number 12. N belongs to natural numbers, right? 49 power n plus 16n minus 1 is divisible by least possible. What is the least possible value? First option 24 given, right? Second is given to 17, third is given 64 and finally fourth is given 676. Yes. Now, same old method, n is natural numbers. So, let us use small n is equal to 1, put n is equal to 1, 49 power 1 plus 16 into 1 minus 1. 49 power 1 is 49, yes, plus 16 into 1, 16. This is not 16.1, 16 into 1 minus 1. 49 plus 16, yes, 65, minus 1, 64. So, you tell me, 64. So, what is the right option? Your answer is 64 and right option in the answer is third option is the 64. So, third option is right answer. Question number 13. The product of 3 consecutive natural numbers is divisible by what? Product of 3 consecutive natural numbers. First one is given 6, second one is given 3, third one is 8 and fourth one is 11. So, let us see. Product of 3 consecutive natural numbers. Product of 3 consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers. Divisible by. This value is divisible by what? So, let us take first option 6 given, and second is given 3, third is given 8, fourth is given 11. Let us see. What is the meaning of consecutive natural numbers? Yes. Say starting with 1, 2, 3, 6. Then 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. And 3 into 4 into 5, 60. So, what do we understand now here? Yeah, you are correct. So, divisible by 6. So, of course, when it is divisible by 6, it is divisible by 3 also. But here answer is first option. So, when it is a multiple of 6, it is already multiple of 3. So, here right answer is first one, and first option answer is 6. So, product of any 3 consecutive natural numbers divisible by 6. Suppose this is given as a subjective question. Suppose the same question is given subjective. Then what do you do? Yes, you take n minus 1 into n plus 1. Right? If it is given subjective, you consider n cube minus n and do the same. Putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, you get all these values. Okay?